My name is Saara and I'm Lean Project Manager in Oulu Factory. So my job is to help all these experts to develop our factory even better than it is today. I have studied industrial engineering and management in Oulu University, and my major was environmental engineering and well-being and usability management. So it's really different what I do today. It's been mostly learning by doing. After I graduated, I came to Nokia as a program buyer and I purchased mechanics for our products. And after that, I stepped in as a lean project manager. So it's really different what I studied, and I've been learning by doing every day. I think the work here with the people that I work with is the best thing. It's a great privilege to work with really passionate experts and help them to develop our factory even better. Nokia encourages you to grow in Nokia in your own position, even develop your own career here. And Nokia gives us really good platforms to learn by doing and courses, etc. I'm most proud of our factory. In our factory here in Oulu, we create the really first prototypes from the plans from our R&D. And it's really great to see that with the people here, with the automation, robots, we together make those first prototypes and really see what we are producing here in Nokia. Kind, hardworking, and diplomatic. I think the best day has been the day when I got to assemble those products myself. I had the opportunity to go for a day to try the operator work in the production. So it was really fun to screw those screws and put pieces together to a product.